Hi, students. I am Cedra Vandekar. I'm going to be your instructor for this semester. So I thought I'd show you around Brightspace and how to get started with the course because we're going to have some fun with statistics. So let me share my screen here. Okay, this is our Brightspace course. So if you come down here, you're going to start with the course description, of course. Make sure you read the syllabus completely. You want to make sure that you understand you need WebAssign for this course. All of our homework is going to be done online through the WebAssign platform. That's in the course materials as well. The textbook is listed there. Make sure you thoroughly read the syllabus and the course materials needed before you get started on the course. Then start with week 1, right? We've got week 1 through week 8 listed out for you. So with week 1, you're going to come in here and chapter 1 and chapter 2 are what we're doing in there. So you're going to click on the chapter 1. This is going to give you a description of what you're going to be learning. You'll learn it by watching this first video right here. So if I click that video, brings up the YouTube of the recorded lecture. Okay, just click play to start it playing. With that recorded lecture, oops, where are we on? There we go. With that recorded lecture, you also have the PowerPoint slides that go with it that you can use right there. Sometimes I'll also give you a data file that I'm using in the video. I don't always provide the data files that I'll be using in the video. When they're really short and easy for you to duplicate, I'll let you do that yourself. But sometimes if there's a long data file, I'll post them here for you. So you'll be able to click right there. All of those resources are right underneath. Okay, that's what you're using. This is the 1.4 data file that I was just showing you. And these others are the slides. Then beneath that, you have your chapter 1 assignments. Go in there. And this will take you to WebAssign. So if you click chapter 1.1 introduction, that's your first homework assignment. You'll go right in there, it'll load this Engage content, get started working on it. Okay, so you do need to register that WebAssign, and it won't be available until the course actually starts. But once it is, you'll be able to do that. The other thing that I want to bring you to your attention is if we look together at that syllabus, let's take a look at the document. Notice all of the required information is there. And then at the bottom, we have our schedule. So this tells you what we're working on every week. Now, here's the thing I want to let you know about this. The exams are open for a specific period of time, and you must take the exam during that specific period of time. Each exam has a time limit, about 2 or 3 hours, depending on the assignment, what it is. But it's not enough for you to look up how to do every problem. So you got to study in advance and be ready to take the homework, be ready to take that exam in that time period. You also get 2 attempts for every exam. Use the first one as practice. Write down what you're having trouble with. Study those concepts, and then take your second attempt on the exam. Everything else, the homework, all of that, comes with due dates throughout the semester. I'm not going to enforce those due dates. So if you get behind, don't worry about it. Just catch up as soon as you can. That's not a problem. But you do have to have all of the homework done before each exam. So for example, if you can only get through half the homework in week 1, you got a whole lot to do on the weekend and week 2 before you can take the exam, because you got to get all the homework done to be able to take the exam. Okay, for chapters 1, 2, and 3. If you have questions at any time, email me. I'm happy to work with you on these. All right, I look forward to getting to know you better throughout the semester and working with you on learning more about statistics.